Good morning, children. As you have seen this picture realize that there is a conversation happening between teacher and student. So basically, we have to know that how they do conversation in French. So let's start how they do conversation in French. So you can see here, he is a teacher and he told about one sentence in French. He told bonjour, okay? So student reply here, bonjour monsieur, okay? Bonjour monsieur, okay? So again, he replied, teacher asked question, comment ça va? Comment ça va? So teacher, student also here replied, je vais bien, okay? How to reply here? Je vais bien, merci, okay? Merci, je vais bien, merci. So again, teacher told here, enchanté. Enchanté means nice to meet you, okay? Nice to meet you. So student reply here, enchanté monsieur, okay? Enchanté monsieur, okay? So basically, this was the sample of starting this conversation French between teacher and student. So let's start like totally how the conversation start begin here. Here you can see here like student start the conversation. So he told bonjour monsieur, okay? Bonjour monsieur. So teacher reply bonjour. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles means he was surprised because he heard that someone is telling bonjour monsieur. That means it was a French uh, sentence. It was a French word. So he was surprised. So he turned back and he told bonjour. Comment tu t'appelles means what is your name? So a student reply here. Je m'appelle Rakesh. Et vous? Means my name is Rakesh. Je m'appelle Rakesh. Et vous? Means what about you? Okay. What about you? So there is two options. You can ask et vous or comment vous appelez-vous? Okay. Comment vous appelez-vous? So there is sound here. So sound come with Z. Okay. Comment vous appelez? Okay. Comment vous appelez-vous? Okay. So teacher reply here again. Je m'appelle Krishnamurti. Okay. How to reply here? Je m'appelle Krishnamurti. So student reply here. Quelle est votre profession? Okay. What is your profession? Okay. A student asks, quelle est votre profession? Okay. Quelle est votre profession? So teacher reply here. Je suis professeur. Okay. Je suis professeur. Et toi means what about you? I'm already here split. Et vous, et toi. Et toi means here. Et toi means like informal way. Informal way to ask. Okay. Et toi. Okay. Et toi means what about you? Okay. Et vous means formal way. Formal way to ask. Okay. Formal way to ask. Okay. So here again. So student reply. Et toi means, so sorry, teacher asked et toi means what about you. So a student here reply here, je suis étudiant français. Okay, how he replied, je suis étudiant français. Okay, je suis étudiant français. Okay, so here I put because of the female. Okay, if the girls is there, so she will reply like je suis étudiante française. Okay, you have already know that we don't pronounce last word in sentence. Okay, so here for the female last word will be so she will pronounce étudiante. Okay, étudiante, étudiante, étudiante. Okay, française. For here, last word is so she will pronounce française. Okay, says. For but a student here, so he will last word will be here t. Okay, so he will pronounce like étudiant. Okay, étudiant. Last word before y will be here S. So he will pronounce français. Okay, français. Okay, so all sentence is je suis étudiant français. For female, je suis étudiante française. Okay, so other question he asked teacher, où habites-tu? Okay, où habites-tu? So student reply me, où habites-tu means where do you live? Okay, où habites-tu? So student reply here, j'habite à Warangal. Okay, j'habite à Warangal. Okay, so he asks again, et vous means what about you? Okay, et vous means like same asking here, like teacher student asking here. Here teacher asking here like où où habitez où habitez où habitez-vous? Où habitez-vous means where do you live, sir? Like okay, so shortcut he asked a vous. So full form is asked où habitez-vous? Okay, where do you live? So teacher reply here, j'habite à Hyderabad. Okay, j'habite à Hyderabad means I live in Hyderabad. Okay, so teacher again ask here. Teacher again ask here, quel âge as-tu? Okay, quel âge as-tu means how old are you? Okay, so student reply here. Listen carefully. Student reply here. J'ai 12 ans. Okay, j'ai means I am. 12 means 12. An means year old. Okay, so j'ai 12 ans. I have already explained like numbers in French. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So like kind of a 12. Okay, 12 ans. So teacher reply ask teacher say that here in last word enchanté. Enchanté means nice to meet you. Enchanté. So student reply here enchanté monsieur. Okay, enchanté monsieur means nice to meet you. Okay, so I think this class may be useful for you, and if you're in doubts, like we will discuss on the online classes. So see you next class. Okay, bye.